Hello and welcome back to English with Alice. Today you are going to learn adverbs of frequency, always, never, sometimes. But more importantly than that, we are going to look at the word order. Using the correct word order is going to help you sound more natural and in turn improve your fluency in English. Let's get going. Have a look now at the frequency scale. The most common adverbs of frequency are always, usually, often, sometimes, rarely, and never. So the percentage is more or less. So think about 100% every single time, always. 90% of the time, most of the time, usually. Careful with this pronunciation. It's not usually, it's usually, like you, usually. 70% often, 50% sometimes, 10% rarely, and 0% never. Okay, let's look at the word order. This is the first rule, we need to put the subject first. I, you, he, she, it, we, they. Then the adverb. And finally the main verb. For example, I always check my AI assistant in the morning. They usually work from home on Fridays. We rarely print documents in 2026. So this is the very important word order. Let's see how that changes in the next slide. The word order changes if you use the verb to be. In this case, first comes subject, then comes the verb to be, and finally goes the adverb. So it changes the order. Let's have a look at some examples. I am, verb to be, often, adverb. I am often busy with video calls. The Wi-Fi is always fast in this office, in this home office. We are sometimes tired after a digital detox. So it's really important that when you are using the verb to be, that comes first. Okay, is it clear so far? Again, remember this word order is going to help you sound more natural. So, modern life, let's have a look at a few more examples. I always use a VR headset for my fitness routine. This is not true in my case. This is talking about some people in the modern life. I always use, okay, my self-driving, yeah, right. My self-driving car, this is the subject, usually, adverb of frequency, main verb, arrives on time. Another example, in the finance sector, people never carry cash anymore. We use digital wallets. And finally, I am rarely, notice here we have the verb first, verb to be. I am rarely offline because of my smart glasses. Do any of you have any of these modern things, like a self-driving car, a VR headset, or smart glasses? I don't. Okay. This is where the real learning takes place. Now that we've looked at that, you need to take part in this quiz. So, true or false? Adverbs of frequency go after the verb to be. Is it true or is it false? What do you think? It is true. The adverb of frequency goes after the verb to be. I am always tired. For example. Okay, number 2, is this true or false? We say, I always am happy. Does that sound natural to you? Does that sound correct? This one is false. We do not say I always am happy. We say I am, verb to be first, always happy. Okay, and the last one, rarely, means almost 0% of the time. Now, what do you think about this? Almost 0 is not 0, because if it said rarely means 0%, this would be false, because we know that never means 0%. So almost 0%, it could be true. Could be true. I rarely go to the beach. Almost never. It's not never, but it's almost never. So it's true. How did you do? Did you get them correct? Okay, the next part of the quiz, fill in the gaps. I attend meetings in the metaverse. My robot vacuum cleans the floor at night. We forget to charge our electric cars. And he late for the hologram call. Okay, this is for you to write your own answers. So in my case, let's do it together. I never attend meetings in the metaverse. My robot vacuum sometimes cleans the floor at night, 50% of the time. We something forget to charge our electric cars. We often, this happens a lot. He something late for all. So it's to be late. We need the verb to be. So it's he is, and now we put the adverb of frequency. He is usually late for the hologram call. So there's no right or wrong answer in terms of which ones you choose, but the order is what's important here. Okay, you're learning a lot, but remember, what you really need to do is take part to learn. Okay, these are some answers. I often attend. My robot vacuum always cleans the floor at night. We never forget to charge our electric cars. He is usually late for the hologram call. So it's not right or wrong. These are just some examples. Okay, if you have really learned this, then you can become a detective. And when you can spot mistakes, it means that you have really understood the information. So let's find the 2 mistakes in this. Let's check number 1. I drink usually coffee in the morning. What is the problem with this sentence? It is the word order, right? So we need to say, I usually drink coffee in the morning. This, in my case, is very true. Actually, in my case, it would be I always drink coffee in the morning. Number 2, are there any mistakes? Let's check it. She is always on her phone. So we have the verb to be, she is, and then after the adverb of frequency. What do you think? To me, I think that looks fine. So there's just one more mistake to find. They never are late for work. Verb to be, which means it's in the wrong order. They are never late for work. This is the mistake, the word order. How did you do in this one? Did you do well? Okay, your turn. So, write in the comments the answers to these 3 questions. How often do you use AI to help you work? How often are you away from your computer? How often do you order food using a delivery drone? Let us know in the comments. Important then to keep practicing. Here is a quick summary of what we learned today to help you to sound more natural in English. So great job. I hope that was useful, and I'll see you again next time with English with Alice. Goodbye.